Hello. Now we start 10th standard. Take out page number 60 of Geo part, Natural Resources, chapter 8. We are going to continue our chapter, page number 60, and our next topic is planning and conservation of resources. Planning and conservation of resources means till now what we had discussed, okay, what type of resources are there, natural resources are there, how they are useful to us, right? So some are renewable, some are non-renewable, means some exhaust, some they recreate. So that what we had discussed till now. Now what we are going to discuss, that planning and conservation of resources. Planning means what? Why there is a requirement of planning? Like I will take a live example. Right now lockdown is going on, right? So we plan everything. Okay, how we are going to use our money or our whatever the provision we have made for further 20 days or anything. Conservation means what? We anything which is going to exhaust in a period of time, राइट. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू कंजर्व इट, यानी जो चीज खत्म होने वाली है या फिर वापस नहीं बनने वाली है तो उसको हम कैसे बचा के रखें, दैट इज व्हाट द कंजर्वेशन मीन्स. सो प्लानिंग एंड कंजर्वेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, दैट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. राइट नाउ हियर थ्री main important points are there in the first paragraph of this topic: development, science and technology, and population explosion. Means these 3 points, how these 3 points have make it a requirement to make or conserve our resources. That what we are going to discuss. Now let's read it. Planning and conservation of resources. Human needs are unlimited while the resources are limited. Means our needs are unlimited. We humans never satisfied with anything, right? Our needs are going to increase and increase. Like for example, we had a fan, from fan we came to cooler to AC, right? So this is what the needs are. As we get the facilities, our needs always increase. But to make all these things, resources are limited in the earth. During last 100 years, usage of resources has increased very much due to the extraordinary development in science and technology and due to population explosion. Now different types of modern methods has been increased. Modern technology has been increased. You can dug out from the ocean many types of minerals and mineral oils, natural gas, coal, right? We can do many things because of what? Science and technology, because of the development happened in our economy. So because of that, what we are doing, because of our greed, we started using more and more resources, right? So because of that, what happened? Because of that, resources are started getting exhaust, which are cannot be renewed. Once they will be exhaust, they will not come again. And the second thing very important, that is a population explosion. Population explosion means increasing in population, right? Like we are 130 crore population is there. 130 crore population means one person is also increased. So that person required water, that person required oxygen, there that person required clothes, food, place to live, right? So one person, so you imagine how 130 crore people are there in our country only. So because of the population explosion, every single person consume from the resources. So as population increases, resources decreases. Very bad implication will have to be experienced in future if a serious thought is not given to this matter. Means why we are digging out all the minerals and resources from the earth. So right now our needs are satisfied, but if we will not think properly, then there will be a serious problem increase in or you will face in future. Our future generation will face. Why? Because this all the resources take billions of years, million and billions of years to be made. कोल अगर बनाना है तो it will take billions years. Mineral oil तो it will take billion years. And we are consuming this all resources very fast, right? So it will be definitely the problem for our next generation. So it is duty of all of us to conserve resources for the future generation. Resources should be conserved and should be used rationally. Resources should be conserved. Conserve means उसको बचाना चाहिए and should be used rationally. Rationally यानी बड़े ध्यान से उसको यूज करना चाहिए. जितना ज़रूरत है that much only you have to use the resources.